nodding impatiently. It's okay to cut me in line. You've got places to be, can't say the same for me. Everything's the same as before, and much to my dismay, there's still no words to say. Then there comes a knock on the door to save me from despair, but there is no one there. Slow out the gate, but I love to wait. It will be over soon. Blasted away those who come my way, I'll show them patience too. Please show me patience, show me patience, show me patience. I'll show you patience too. World keeps spinning, I'm left behind. Eyes all losing their gleam, feelings of apathy. Then should it come as a surprise that when the going's rough, you've not waited enough.
direction. So confident, but unassumingly. And thinking about the night you took my hand for the first time. It took a minute to admit it, but it turns out